Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Crimson Desert game. Crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, go below and here we'll find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. It may take some time. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run the game from the installation folder. So for that go to Steam again, select your game, under library section right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application. So go below, here is the application. Now right click on it and click on run as administrator, or simply double click on it and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, you should run the game as administrator. For that select the game application, right click on it, click on properties and here you have to select compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that here you have to check whether the game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues, as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can face several kinds of errors while playing the game, like crashing, lagging, freezing or other issues. So you are suggested to check whether the game is installed on SSD or not, or if not, then you are suggested to move the game to SSD. For that go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that here you have to click on storage and here you will find all the games in SSD or on other drive. So if your game is on another drive, you have to simply select it and then click on move option. After that check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next is to update your system BIOS. For that first you need to check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing and finally restart your system and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now try to launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, here switch off enable in game overlay options as shown below. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and you will get a repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check whether you can play the game or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So you must check if there is any update available for the Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to play the game. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. What you need to do is go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After turning it off, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now here you have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that click on OK, and finally launch the game and then check. But later on again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, here you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, check whether the game is launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Crimson Desert game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall Crimson Desert game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Crimson Desert game: crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.